Ready to supercharge your e-commerce shipping and say goodbye to manual data entry. Let's dive into connecting Shiprocket to your Odoo website. First, you'll need to install the Shiprocket connector app directly from the Odoo App Store. Search for Shiprocket and click Install on the module. Now, head over to your Shiprocket dashboard to find your API credentials. Copy your email, password, and API token. You'll need these to authenticate the connection. Return to your Odoo instance, go to Settings, and find the Shiprocket configuration section. Paste your copied API keys into the corresponding fields. Ensure you save the configuration to establish the connection. Next, map your Shiprocket shipping methods to your Odoo delivery methods. This crucial step ensures accurate shipping cost calculations and seamless order processing. Select the Shiprocket shipping methods that you want to integrate. Once an order is confirmed, the Shiprocket connector automates the tracking process. You can view the tracking information directly within the Odoo order details, keeping you and your customers informed. Finally, you can generate shipping labels directly from Odoo with just a few clicks. This eliminates manual label creation and reduces the risk of errors, ultimately streamlining your shipping process. With Shiprocket connected to Odoo, you're now equipped to manage logistics like a pro.